What's up guys, Travis here with Every Single Sunday. Today's video is just a quick little clip. This is Josh washing his beta up in a local stream. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and yeah, we got new videos twice a week, one full length and one clip, so make sure to check it out, share it with your friends, and have a good one. Get out and ride.
Well, cold?
Yeah.
Boots waterproof?
Nope.
Especially if you get water over the top?
Yep.
Bike looks good, man.
Oh, yeah.
Boots are all shiny again.
Oh, yeah.
That was awesome. I guess if he's getting his boots wet, we might as well also.
Get the feet broke there.
Yeah, I know.